Hey guys, Scott Hudspeth here. You're out of the box lender right here in beautiful Portage, Michigan. Okay, what I'm going over this time is rural development financing. Unbelievable opportunity for borrowers to purchase a home, yes, at 100% financing and roll-in repairs. So let me go over some highlights for you right here on this board, and then I got some notes here that I'm going to go over, and then I'll get rid of them. So first off, 100% financing, 100% based on appraised value. Make sure you hear this correctly because this is huge. 100% based on appraised value. So if you're buying an $80,000 home, it appraises for $90,000. We have $10,000 to play with for both closing cost prepaids or repairs or both. Okay, so very huge thing to understand there. The repairs don't have to be done till after close, okay? No down payment required. There might be some depending on the loan amount. So the lower the loan amount, there might be some that needs depending on appraised value. So I can always work up a scenario for you if you have a client that's looking to purchase a home in rural development area. And I'm going to tell you how to find that area at the end of this thing here. So no minimum purchase price. It doesn't matter what it costs as long as the borrower makes a certain amount of income or less. And it really doesn't matter. I've done $200,000, $220,000, $250,000 rural development purchases, okay? So it doesn't matter. The closing costs can be one, from the seller. Two, we can roll it into appraised value. And three, if we need some money, it can actually be a gift, all right? So no down payment, flexible credit requirements, 620 minimum score. A lot of times we don't even have to pay off collections. Bankruptcies and foreclosures are okay after 3 years, unless there's some reason that it was out of their control. And I've done many of these where we just give a letter of explanation. So I guess what I'm saying with this is don't throw away a borrower, pull them out of the trash, just make them into a cash can, and get them approved. So don't necessarily assume if they've had a bankruptcy or foreclosure that it's a dead deal, because it's not necessarily true. Let me work with them and get them to where they can purchase a home, okay? Up to 6% seller pays if needed. So we got a whole bunch of options here. One, we can use appraised value. Two, we can use seller pays up to 6% if we need to. So some great options there. Repairs and improvements can be done after close. So you as an agent can go in, negotiate for the borrower, close the deal, get paid, and now we start working on repairs for this guy. So gift funds, I covered no down payment, flexible credit scores. Gift funds up to 6% seller pays includes repairs. And let's see, 2-1 buy down. We can use a 2-1 buy down for this program. The seller can help make the buyer's mortgage payment for up to 2 years. Unbelievable opportunity. A little more in detail, so give me a call and I'll explain that to you. Like I said, eligible after 3 years after bankruptcy foreclosure, but there's circumstances where I can get this done before the 3-year period. So make sure we're ruling out all the possibilities. Just send them to me and I'll let you know. Can go up to 102%. I talked about that. 102% of appraised value. So make sure you know this. When you're looking at a home and it's $100,000 and appraised for $110,000, they need $5,000 in repairs, maybe $5,000 for closing costs. We're good to go. We don't need any money from the seller. You can offer them $100,000 and we're good to go. And we can actually chat with an appraiser to the effect of what do you think the home will appraise for, okay? No monthly mortgage insurance. Another huge opportunity here. They don't have to pay any monthly mortgage insurance. Repairs don't have to be done until after close. I covered that. Couple eligibility criteria situations. The borrower has to occupy the property as a primary residence. They have to live there, okay? Limited cash down, I covered that. Can own a home, and so what I'm saying is they can already own a home as long as we can show that they're moving up. So for example, if they have a 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom home, which is quite common, they're moving up to a 3- or 4-bedroom home because they got 3 or 4 kids or 2 kids in a 2-bedroom home, and so there's 4 of them in a 2-bedroom home. That's legitimate, so we can actually have them use this rural development program. So again, let's rule out all the options and we'll tell them what they can do instead of sorry, can't help you, all right? 1 to 4 family max. Okay, here's the cool part. Where can you find out if a home is eligible for rural development? So I built a little website. It's IsItRD, and I put it right here on the screen, isitrd.com. And also on isitrd.com, I'm going to put a copy to a webinar that I did. It's about an hour long that talks about rural development a little more in detail, maybe a couple more specifics on the program. If you're interested, you don't have to go there. But great, and I show you how to use the rural development website, okay? Okay, here's the cool part. They just changed this about 6 months ago. 1 to 4 family, I'm going to put this on the screen, 1 to 4 family can make up to $73,600. So that entitles them to a pretty expensive house if you look at that income. 5 to 8 families, so 4 kids, 2 adults, or 3 kids, 2 adults, that's 5. So now they can go up to $97,150. So they can make up to that and still be eligible to use this 100% financing. No down payment program, up to whatever price home that they're comfortable with. Of course, we'll work together with them. We don't want them house poor and going into foreclosure like we're dealing with right now. So a lot of great opportunity. Don't throw away your borrowers. This is the #1 program out there right now for borrowers to get into a home, include repairs into the financing, not have to put any money down, no mortgage insurance. Here's the crazy part. Manufactured housing is eligible with rural development if it's currently a rural development loan. So if you're if it's a manufactured home, ask if it's currently a rural development loan that they have it financed with, and we can put it back into a rural development financing. Or if it's never been lived in, if it's a manufactured home never been lived in, we can do a rural development financing on it. So great opportunity there, up to 102%. So thanks for listening. Hope you got a little bit out of this. Again, there's a awesome 1 hour long webinar with a lot of details on it at isitrd.com. I put it right on the screen again. If you have any questions for myself or my partner Danielle, please give us a call or shoot us an email. We're always here to help. And again, we won't tell them we can't help them, but what we will tell them is this is what we need to do to make it happen. So give us a chance. Make us your #2 lender. We don't need to be #1. Give us a chance on any deals that your other partners can't deal with or work out, and we'll be happy to see what we can do for you and work with them until we can get them into a home. So thanks for listening. I'll see you on the web. Take care.